Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks, and today we're going to unbox and review the VOLTME PowerLink fast charge cable. This is a USB Type-C cable, which is ideal for devices with power delivery. First of all, I just want to get the disclaimer out of the way. This is a review device provided to us by VOLTME. VOLTME is a brand we've covered here on the Tech Travel Geeks in the past. We're very happy with their products and would like to thank VOLTME for sending us this review cable. And for a little bit of context, I will be cutting into the product packaging with my jerry-rig everything knife, as well as testing this with the VOLTME Revo 140 power adapter. And I will be doing it, for fairness, with just the one laptop port to see how it performs. So let's start off with the packaging. The VOLTME PowerLink cable comes in a relatively flat case, and it has a little bit of details about the specifications on the packaging itself. The key one is that this is a 3 amp cable that's capable of carrying 60 watts. So let's open up the box. Now the cellophane is minimal, but it keeps the box safe from scuffs and moisture, which is a good thing. Oh, struggling here. There we go. Got the cellophane off, and here we have it. And once you're in, you get a bit of an embossed box with that. Okay, so opening it up. Oh, actually, this seems to be a 2-pack. There's also a leaflet in here. This is a surprise. Okay then, so little VOLTME card saying thank you for your purchase. It's a pleasure. And there's 2 cables in the box. This is bonus, I was expecting 1. So let's have a look at the first one. This is a USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable, as I said. It has a VOLTME cable tidy, Velcro cable tidy, which my kitten Ronan adores. He really does like these Velcro cable tidies. They're his favorite toy. And then we have the USB cable itself. So you can see that there is a little bit of VOLTME branding here. It's sort of a shiny embossed VOLTME brand on the head of the USB Type-C cable, and it's on the other end as well. And then on the other side there's a little dimple to make it easier to catch hold of the end of the USB Type-C cable, and the Type-C cable is pretty simple. So little Type-C connector, silver finish, and then black TPU. And then after the TPU we get nice braided finished cable, which is pretty consistent with other cables we've seen. And let's just check the other one. I was expecting 1 cable. This seems to be 2. Yep, it's 2. They're the same. So there's 2 cables in the box. Very good to see. Now, what I'll do is obviously take my Revo 100 and Revo 140, and I'm going to put one end of the VOLTME PowerLink cable into the laptop section there, so maximum power from the Revo 140, and the other, and once the Revo 140 is plugged into a plug, we'll have it here. Okay then, so you all know what to expect here. I'm going to take a selection of devices and see how it performs. Now there's a reason I waited until today to review this product, and you'll all understand it in a moment. But first things first, here is my Google Pixel 7 Pro. Trusty device, I've had it for almost a year. Lovely phone. It charges at up to 30 watts. Now, the status of the battery as we go into this is quite low. I'm at barely 20%. Let's see what happens when I plug in the VOLTME PowerLink cable into the Google Pixel 7 Pro. It immediately starts off charging rapidly, so we know that this is working as a rapid charger. And it says that the phone will go from 11% to full in 1 hour 38 minutes, which is pretty good going in my view. So charging rapidly, that's a good sign. So it works well with the Google Pixel 7 Pro, but I've also recently purchased another device, one which uses USB Type-C, and it's from a fruity company called Apple. Yes, you can hear that pain in my voice. Anyway, Apple takes USB Type-C for charging their laptops and tablets, including the shiny new MacBook Air 15, which we're reviewing here on the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel. And guess what? It's charging. It works. Let me just check. Yep, it's charging. So Apple MacBook Air 15 works well with this cable. That's really good to see. Next up, let's try my Lenovo Chromebook Duet. This is a tablet and keyboard case, but mainly a tablet, which takes USB Type-C for charging. So I'll just give it a moment, or have I switched it off completely? I probably switched it off completely, and that's why it's not turning on. There we go. We'll turn on Chrome OS. Still probably one of my most used tablets alongside the Amazon Fire tablets. And as we can see, we've got a little plus sign. It's 1% charge, but it is charging, and it tells me that it's 1 hour and 56 minutes until full. So that's good going. It means that the Lenovo Chromebook Duet, running the MediaTek chipset, is charging well using this cable. So good to see that. This reminds me, I need to charge that tablet. Now, the moment you've all been waiting for, you've seen our unboxing, our setup video, and the case, this Ringke Fusion X case, which is quite fetching, on the Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max. Yes, I did get the new iPhone. Again, more Apple pain. It is seriously painful, especially when you check your bank balance. And so what we're going to do now is just remove the cellophane, use this newfangled port, which if you're a regular iPhone user is shocking. It's called USB Type-C, and the VOLTME PowerLink cable works fine. You can see that it's now, I've set up the iPhone to show its percentage. It is charging, so good news there. It's 6% charged. It is taking a charge from the VOLTME cable and the charger, the VOLTME Revo 140 charger. So Apple iPhone works with this USB Type-C cable. It's USB Type-C PD, so where possible it will fast charge. There seems to be no indication from the Apple iPhone that that's what's actually happening. Let's double check. Go to battery, B for battery. I'll just have to search for it. I'm sure I just went past it. Here we are, battery. And so it's charging. It doesn't give us a real estimation of what's happening. Charging optimization, optimized. So nothing there, nothing new there. But it is charging, and it's gone up 1% since we've been filming here, so we're already at 7%. Apple are not really very good at this whole fast charging thing, not as good as other brands. Speaking of other brands, let's see how the VOLTME PowerLink cable handles a device such as, in this case, the Honor 70 smartphone. Or let's go for the newer version, the Honor 90. Does the Honor 90 take a charge from this VOLTME cable? Now, the moment of truth will be in a few moments when the device, which is completely flat, starts charging. Maybe long press the power button to see what happens. No, this probably needs a bit of a longer charge. I just took it out of its box again because someone who was supposed to come and pick this up didn't turn up, and I had actually forgotten what was in the box at the time. Probably not a good device to test on. But let's try. I've tried the Apple iPhone, the Google Pixel 7 Pro. I think we've done a good sample of devices. So overall, I think that this is a good cable. 1 meter in length in this case. It's a braided cable, so it's less likely to get tangled in your bag. And just to avoid that happening altogether, you get that nice Velcro cable tidy, which I'll just demonstrate how I do my cable tidy wrapping here. And nice little detailing. You get the VOLTME branding on the cable tidy. Anyway, thanks to VOLTME for sending us this review sample of the VOLTME PowerLink cables, fast charge cables. As we discovered, it's a 2 cable pack that you get. We'll link in the description to where you can purchase this on Amazon here in the UK, as well as to the VOLTME website. And as usual, if you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. We cover consumer electronics, gadgets, accessories, pretty much anything else we think makes the travel experience better, including fashion. And if you're a geek like me, probably cables, especially nice braided cables like this VOLTME cable, also count as fashion. So there you go. Again, thanks for making it through to the end of this video. It means a lot to us. And goodbye from me.